So you're thinking about making a move in Louisville, Kentucky? Well, today in this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of our latest Holland & Team listing. This home is in Bedford, Kentucky, which is Trimble County. We're on 1 acre. We have 3 beds, 2 baths, almost 1,700 square foot. It's a ranch with a 2.5 car attached garage and a outbuilding with that's roughly 20 by 40, and it's got another garage door in it. And wait till you see these driveways. They are wide. I mean, you could probably park 20 cars in just the driveways. So I'm excited to show this one to you. And hey, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure and hit the like button, the subscribe button, and ring that little bell so you can be one of the first to know everything there is to know about real estate in Louisville, Kentucky, and the surrounding areas like Trimble County in Bedford, where we are today. My name is Tim Holland. I'm with the Holland & Team at eXp Realty, and we do videos like this just for people like you, just to be informative, just to keep you apprised as to what's going on in the real estate market in our area. So whether it's 6 days, 6 weeks, or 6 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or schedule a Zoom call. We would love to meet with people just like you. In fact, people call, text, and email us every single day. We absolutely love it. So let's get on with this tour of this 3-bed, 2-bath, 2.5 car garage, ranch style home in Trimble County. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. This is a beautiful, very large covered front porch. I tell you, this home is immaculate. I mean, and I don't say that often, to be really honest with you. It's been incredibly well kept. It's a one-owner home. It's 29 years old, just really in nice condition. Got phenomenal updates. Like, look at that floor. Isn't that beautiful? That flooring is throughout except for the 2 extra bedrooms, but we've got a nice vaulted great room with ceiling fan. To my right over here is a beautiful brick fireplace. It's got a propane gas hookup for those gas logs. And we're just going to go ahead and run clockwise through the house. Just really, really well maintained. This is bedroom number 1. And again, it's got carpeted floor, got a nice ceiling fan there, got some nice shelving built up around there. My apologies to the U of L fans if you don't like UK, and my congrats to the UK fans. So, yeah, here we go. They're just using this as a study, little extra TV room. Got a nice closet in there too. This is the hall bath for this side of the house. This is a split ranch design. Probably one of the first ones too, because they didn't really become popular until the late 90s. So this is a full bath. Got a fiberglass tub and shower surround, toilet and vanity with a new top. Bedroom number 2. Again, we've got carpet. We've got a ceiling fan. Good size room. This one's probably 14 to 16 feet. Square. I'm going to show you that closet here in a minute because they've got some nice closet organizers in this home. So, again, nice closet organizers. Those are always handy. Makes really good use of the space. Here's the perspective of the great room from the other side, back looking at the front door, and that's the primary suite next to the front door. We'll go there last. Now to my left is the dining area. Wait till you see this outside. That's a teaser. I'll get to that here in a minute, but you might see some water right there. Okay, kitchen has been completely remodeled. New cabinets, new quartz countertops, ceramic tile backsplash, new appliances, just absolutely beautiful. There's your view as you're washing dishes. You do see an outbuilding that is on this property. We'll go out and show you that as well. Got a good sized pantry here right in the kitchen. There's the new fridge and the other side of the kitchen. View looking into the dining area. And this is your laundry room. The washer and dryer and all the kitchen appliances will convey to the new buyer of this home. We do have a water softener, brand new. And this of course goes out to the garage. Peek out there real quick. It's a nice size 2.5 car garage. We've got about 4 feet on either side of that garage door. Plenty of room in front of the car, up front here. The attic access does have a garage door opener, and that garage door is also insulated. And we've got a man door to the rear yard. That's the furnace and water heater closet behind that door. I teased you. Now I'm gonna come through with the goods here. This is one of the nicest covered decks in Spacious that I've ever seen. Really nice size. Got 2 ceiling fans out here. It's almost 90 degrees today, but the ceiling fans and a little bit of breeze, it's really, really comfortable. And here we've got a little sun deck down on the pool level. And that is a 24-foot round above ground pool that looks in ground because they've got a deck all around it. It's really nice, really good condition. The pool equipment is underneath the deck on that far side. And if I failed to mention, this lot is 1.03 acres. We've got a fire pit up there, and that's on a stamped concrete pad. The fire pit itself will not convey, but of course the pad will stay. It's up in there tucked under the trees, far enough away that the heat won't bother them. All right, back through the great room. Love that vault and that beam up there. It's a good combination of modern and traditional in this house. That's just your coat closet at the front door. And this is the primary suite. Again, new flooring in here. That's a queen size bed, but as you can see, a king would be no problem at all. Lots of light. The blinds are drawn, but it is still very, very light in here. And then got another closet organization system in here. This is a walk-in, good size. Got another attic access in here. It's a really nice closet. That's probably 6 by 12, 6 by 14, something like that, I would say. Nice primary suite. Got an elongated vanity. New countertops. Toilet nook, tub and shower. Surround, just like in the other bath. And got a nice linen closet in the primary. Okay. Well, let's take a perimeter tour on the outside now. You're going to love this property. And if you're looking for something a little bit out in the country with a lot of peace and quiet, definitely a stargazer's dream out here because you don't have all the light pollution from the city. Yet it's still a reasonable trip to anywhere you need to be. Got nice landscaping, river rock all around. The roof was brand new. That is a dimensional shingle, not just the typical 3-tab that you see. Got Nice landscaping. I didn't mention, but this is a corner lot, so we actually only have one neighbor, and that's on that far side way over there. So there's a street in front of us, there's a street to the right of us, and a street in the rear of us. Look at the width of this driveway. I am not kidding you. You can put 4 cars side by side, and I've got a big truck, so maybe only 2 trucks deep, but you could probably put 3 vehicles deep, 3 normal sized cars. But they can easily put 4 across. If they were all trucks, you got parking for 8, minimally. Around the back here, again, nicely landscaped. There's that man door coming out of the garage. I'll walk up here and give you a view from this side of the covered deck. Just a really cool space. I would be spending a lot of time out here if it were mine. Really nicely landscaped. Okay, this building, I haven't put a measuring tape on it, but I'm told it's 20 by 40, and that looks about right. I have no reason to question that, although I will confirm it. There's a view of the pool in the back of the house. Again, we're on 1.03 acres. There you can start to see that road in the back. So completely surrounded, except for the left side. This would make an awesome man cave or she shed, or it's primarily used for grandkid bike storage and lawn equipment. There's built-in shelving that will stay. We've got a single bay garage in the back side of it with another full width next to it. I'm assuming you could reconfigure that for a second door if you ever wanted to. Got more shelving built in there. Got a workbench. The workbench and the shelving will convey. It's all attached. And out the back door is another driveway where you could put another 2 cars wide by 2 or 3 deep. That's your neighbor to the rear on the other side of the road. And there's one more thing I want to show you in here, and that is my seller has built a little fitness room. And that's right in here. He's got a little space heater in here for the winter, but nothing really on this side. And there you see, got a nice piece of workout equipment. He's a runner, got all kinds of medals, and run a lot of mini marathons and a marathon. And so that's going to about do it for the tour. Give you one last look there. And that's your closest neighbor right there. And about 3/4 of the grass you see from the pool to the right is on this property. So they're pretty far away. Very, very, very private. All I hear are the crows in the background and an occasional car on the road, but that's not a major road, so it's not got a lot of traffic. So, all right, guys and gals, I hope you enjoyed this. I will meet you back around front and we'll wrap up. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up our tour today in this beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath home in Trimble County on 1 acre. It's, again, 3-bed, 2-bath, almost 1,700 square feet, 2.5 car garage, got that outbuilding, got a beautiful piece of property. You've seen the pool. The crawl space has been encapsulated. There's a termite warranty. I mean, the list of improvements goes on and on and on, even down to the dimensional shingle roof you see there in the background. We are sitting here roughly 10 minutes from the city of Bedford, maybe not even that, probably closer to 5 minutes from the city of Bedford. We're about 15 minutes from Interstate 71 at exit 34, which puts us about 50 minutes from downtown Louisville. This property would be absolutely perfect for for somebody that is maybe in some sort of home improvement that needs on-site storage and doesn't want to have to go rent a facility. Just a really, really great location. Somebody that works in either Bedford or Milton or Campbellsburg, Carrollton, or even across the river in Madison, Indiana. I mean, we're very close to all of that. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe button, and ring that little bell so you can be notified whenever we release a new informational video like this one today. Thank you again for your time, and look forward to seeing you around town.